Hey guys, this is Paul. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to show you how to make some paper airplanes. So this first one we're going to call an eagle. It's going to look just like this when you're done. So make sure you grab some paper and let's get making. This one's pretty easy to make. I'll show you how to do it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is just start with the regular sheet of paper. And you are going to fold it in half. Not this way, but this way, long ways. So you want this to be folded in half as perfectly as you can. The more even the plane is, the sides of the plane are, the further it's gonna fly. So once you have folded it in half, these next steps are gonna be pretty easy. You are going to open it back up, and it's gonna look just like that. And then you're gonna fold this edge flat down against that edge that you just folded. So you're going to start seeing what's going to look like a paper airplane. All right, so you're going to fold that first flap down. You get a nice little triangle there. You're going to fold this second flap down. You're trying to get two even sides, trying to get everything to match up there on that line. Trying to get a nice little point there. You're going to do that. And what you want to do is make sure those creases are nice and tight. So you want to do that if you can, all right? So now you're right there. And so we're gonna do the exact same thing one more time. So now you are gonna fold it back here. And if your point wasn't perfect, you get a second chance to make it even better. So you are going to try to match up this line to that middle line right there. And get your nice crease right there. You're gonna do it again to this side. So now it's looking a lot like an airplane. We're not done with it yet though. We're not going to just fold it in half. We got a few more things that we are going to do. All right, so once it looks like that, you're going to make sure your edges are nice and tight. All right, and then you're going to take this nose right here, the very tip of it, and you're going to fold it down to that middle line at the other end. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to fold this in half. And you're going to try to match up that middle line to the middle line that you initially folded right there. Make that tip go to the very end. And when you're done doing that, it's going to look just like that. See that? Looking good so far. We're almost done. All right. And then this next step, it's a little tricky. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just going to eyeball it. You're going to take this and you're just going to fold a flap in. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you try to get as close on both sides as you can. So it's going to look like that. It's just kind of the corner flap. So you're going to take this right here and just fold it in a little bit. You want to try to make sure you're matching up with there. You see, it's not exactly a straight angle. It's kind of it's not like a 90-degree angle. It's a little off. So you're going to do that, and then it's going to look just like that. So here's what we have so far. All right. So you're going to turn it around so this point is facing you, and you are going to fold that back up. All right, so now we are getting close to done. Looking good so far? So when it looks like that, you are going to just fold it in half. You're going to make that point nice and tight. It should look just like that so far. All right, so you're going to still have it folded in half. And we're going to make a little, little handle thing to throw it with. So you're going to fold it back in half, so it should look like that. And you're going to fold this side. You're going to try to make them as close to match as close as possible. And we are almost done. So when you open it, it's going to look like a paper airplane. All right, but we're missing one thing. We need to make some little flaps to make it fly a little further and glide a little better. So we're just going to take this and we are going to bring in, make some flaps. Just fold in the edges just a little bit. Try to be as even as you can be. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best. All right, so here is what it looks like. We're going to go fly them here in just a second. All right, here we go. We're going to start with this one, the one we call the eagle first. The key is to not throw it super hard. Here it goes. Well, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you had a good time, and we will see you back real soon.